2013 Chevrolet Black Diamond Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: 6-speed automatic, 8-sill, 4WD power steering, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, MP3 player, Bose stereo system, satellite radio, navigation system, OnStar communication system, anti-theft security system, tachometer, backup camera, bucket seats, clock, power adjustable pedals, running boards, auxiliary audio input, anti-theft stereo, anti-theft device S, side airbag system, multi-function steering wheel, roof rails, remote ignition system, airbag deactivation, power folding mirrors, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, CD player and dash, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, turn signal mirrors, EBD electronic brake assist.